Hey you guys, welcome to my very first studio vlog. I am pretty excited about starting to do this. So this one's going to be a little rough because I'm kind of going to show you what I've been doing for the week. Now remember that I am a part-time artist, so I don't do this full time, but I'm really excited to share this with you. So we'll just see how this goes. And hey, if you're here, and I'm just excited that you're here, and thank you for supporting me. Sorry, my cat Spike decided to make an appearance. Stay tuned. Just dropped the kids off, and now it's time to start doing more sealing for these future magnets. And of course, before I start all that, I have to eat. And I just got a sandwich from my favorite bagel place. It's called Whidbey Bagel. So good. So I'm gonna get started on that, and then you guys can follow me today and I will show you pretty much what I'm gonna do all day today. I've got so much stuff to do. I probably should make a list, but nah, we'll just wing it instead. So good. Just finished sealing these guys back here. So the next stage is that I have a few that are ready. So I'm going to put the magnets on the back of them. And then the next task will be to start making some listings on my Etsy shop, which I'm trying to remember what I have ready to list, but it's time to do an update on my Etsy. Things are definitely, I have a few stickers that I need to list. So yeah, we will see next time I talk to you. Okay, now that I've gotten the ceiling done, the next stage is to start making some listings on my Etsy shop. So I've got like 2 new stickers that I need to add, and then I also have some stones, and I'll show them to you. So the next shop update will probably be on Friday, is when it will be posted and it'll be available. Some of the other items I will also be listing that will be available on the next shop listing, which today is the 10th of October. So these guys will be listed on Friday. I was just looking through my camera roll and I saw all the pictures that I've already taken. So that's just one less thing. Another thing is that I do have some bookmarks that are going to be listed too. One of them is going to be a paper one, and then there's a couple metal ones that I'm also going to be listed. So wish me luck. Listing stuff is the most tedious job. Ugh, can't stand it, but hey, it's got to get done. Okay, so it is about 11:30 and it is time for me to eat something because I did not, well, no, I woke up, I don't know why I said that. I woke up at 3:30 this morning. Yeah, so I think I need to eat now. I think ramen sounds good, so. Okay, so I finally finished the listings for my next shop update, and man, that took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to it, so let me show you some of them. So this is what I've got so far. Super excited. normally I'm not. I normally take a lot of breaks, so this is kind of like out of the ordinary for the amount of work that I got done today. So I think I am calling it for the day after picking up my kids and eating dinner and stuff. I didn't share any of that stuff. You guys don't want to see that work stuff, but it was really interesting to see that. And I want to be completely real. Sometimes I'm not always that productive, and sometimes I don't want to do any art at all. But wow, I got a lot done. So hey, make sure you subscribe and like this video. It helps me so much, and I will see you on the next video.